ስታይል ይባላል የመጣሁት ስሌት ስታይል ይባላል የመጣሁት ከራሳክስ ቡድን ነው ከራሳክስ ቡድን የመጣሁት ተጠቃሚ ነኝ 60 ሴቶች ለኤችአይቪ ተጋላጭ ከሆኑት ውስጥ ተጠቃሚ ነኝ ከነዛ ውስጥ ማለት ነው እና ያንን እዛ ውስጥ በመግባቴ ደስተኛ ነኝ ያ ነገር የመጣልኝ እኔ መጥፎ ደረጃ ላይ በሆንኩበት ሰዓት በሚሰማኝ ሰዓት ጥሩ ባልኩበት ሰዓት ላይ የመጣልኝ እና ያ ነገር መምጣት ነው ለውጦኛል ከዛ ነገር ጋር ተያይዞ ስልጣን አግኝቻለሁ የተለያዩ ነገሮችን አግኝቻለሁ የሰው ፍቅር አግኝቻለሁ በፊት መናገር አልችልም ሰው ጋር መቀላቀል ፈራለሁ ምክንያቱም ያው ከአካሌ ጋር ያለው ነገር ማለት ነው ተጽዕኖ አለብኝ ካስተዳደግኝ ጋር የሆነ ከሰው ጋር መቀላቀል ፈጣን እንታደርገው እና ይሄ ነገር ለኔ ጥሩ ለውጥ አድርጎልኛል ኤድስ ኮምፒተንስ ፕሮጀክቱ ማለት ነው እና ከሰው ጋር ያለኝ ኮንታክት ጥሩ ነው አሁን ከሰው ጋር መነጋገር እችላለሁ ሀሳቤ መግለጽ እችላለሁ በዚህ ላይ ደግሞ እሰራለሁ ከእናቴ ጋር ቤት ውስጥ ባልና ምናምን እንሰራለን ያ ለውጥ ነው ድሮ ከነበረኝ ነገር አሁን ጥሩ እንቅስቃሴ ላይ ነው ያለሁት በቃ ጥሩ ነው ጥሩ በጣም ለውጥ አለኝ ግንዛቤ በፊት እንደዚህ አይነት ግንዛቤ ኤችአይቪ ያለኝ ግንዛቤ ትንሽ አናሳ ነበር አሁን ሰፋ ባለ መልኩ ስለ ኤችአይቪ አውቃለሁ እንወያያለን ከቤተሰብ ጋር ከእናቴ ጋር ከሰፈር ጋር ሶሻል ላይ ጥሩ ነው ከሰዎች ጋር ያለኝ ኮንታክት ጥሩ ነው ይሄ የሆነው ማህበረሰቡ ለኔ ካለው ፍቅር ለኔ ከሚሰጠኝ ነገር የተነሳ ለኔ ካለው ፍቅር ስለዚህ ያለው ጥንስቶኛልና ጥሩ ሁኔታ ላይ ነው ያለው በጣም ተለውጫለሁ ስለዚህ ፕሮጀክቱ ላይ ተቀጥኛል
as a member of actually the women group there to this day saying that in the past I am got actually disabilities and in the past I was having big problems the way I was brought up was also having a big impact so even families were not transparently discussing with me and I was not even able to utter my problems internal situations so I was hiding myself within the house this is saying that actually it is a good opportunity that this ACP project came to our area when I was actually in a very big serious problem so through the process I was actually selected by the group the selection team from the community to benefit out of this program the biggest thing is I think the discussions we have had the change of attitude now I have opened my eyes joined my mates now in the past I was having problems to integrate with people now I have developed the confidence I realized that people are now loving and actually assisting me and I was given training actually to be assertive to express my idea and I found things are working and we have got very smaller groups discussing the social and the economic issues together after the training we were given actually working capital now I'm working with my mother producing foodstuffs so generating actual income for the household so there is big change in my life I was very much desperate in the past and now actually I see hope in the future working everybody now recognize me as a big person and I am day by day feeling self-reliance so she said this is a good thing that will be working particularly for those highly vulnerable not like me who's having actually compounded problems like disabilities and others so this is actually a good better alternative way of actually contributing towards our improvement in our life states
በአጠቃላይ ቀደም ሲል ምንም አይነት ማህበር ውስጥ የአካል ጉዳተኞች ነገር ውስጥ የለውም ምንም ተሳትፎ አላውቅም ለምን እንደሆነ ለራሴ አላውቅም እና ብዙ የተጎዳሁት ነገር እንዳለ አሁን ነው ያወቅኩት እዚህ ነገር ውስጥ እንደገባ ያደረገኝ ጄክዶና በይበልጥ ደግሞ ኤክስ ኮምፒተንስ ከመጣ በኋላ ስለራሴ እንዳወራ እንደዚህ ጋር እንደወጣ የሆንኩት አሁን ገና እንደሆነ ይሄ ማህበር ራሱ እንዳለ ብዙ ግንዛቤ የለኝም ነበር
in the past I was not having any exposure whether to deal with the association of disabilities whether actually to participate in different awareness raising issues whether to just discuss with peer groups I was not having any exposure she says And now I realize that I've lost a lot of opportunities. It is through Jack Dawes and the Earth Constellation SCP project that I was for the first time made to be exposed to the outside world, where through time I realized to have lots of benefits through peer discussion, peer grouping, awareness raising, and other things. I realize now that I have forgone a lot of things in the past. Anyways, bygones are bygones, but I will be managing actually future life, and I can manage this.